My first Nikon P1000 recording. I noticed the sun going down while going near the water's edge, so stopped to see if I could catch it before it disappeared. I think I might be the worst photographer ever. Well, the camera is very heavy to the front, and kept falling forward on the tripod. Now I realize if I zoom in close, I need to use manual focus. The autofocus was not doing any good once it got in close. So, trouble with the tripod, and trouble with the focus. I mean zooming in tight. The sun is far away, so I was not close. I just zoomed in close. Anyway, I have a video of the sun just sort of melting into the haze. Very weird. Well, very weird, like I said. It is like it just suddenly got pulled back and disappeared into a sort of oblivion. The idea that the sun just goes over the edge of the curve, I think is wrong. Because it does not look like it to me. It just goes too far away.